Yes, you can turn Robux into real money. But there's exactly one legal way to cash out, and 90% of players don't qualify yet. It's called DevEx, the Roblox Developer Exchange. Here are the exact requirements, the steps, and the real 2026 numbers. Before the steps, one thing. Everything in this video, plus how to actually earn enough Robux to qualify, is in my Roblox revenue blueprint. $29, link in the description. Right, requirement 1. First, know that this is real. Roblox paid creators over $1 billion through this exact program in a single year, more than 24,000 developers got paid. The bar is written down, and here it is. Requirement 1, your Robux must be earned, not purchased. That's the rule, everything else hangs on. Earned Robux come from monetizing your own games. Game Pass sales, developer products, private servers, subscriptions, immersive ads, and creator rewards. Robux you bought with real money, or got as a gift, can never go through DevEx. Not ever. Requirement 2, the minimum. You need at least 30,000 earned Robux in your account before you can apply. At the current rate, that first cash out is worth $114. Requirement 3 is age. You must be at least 13 years old. Creators between 13 and 17 can still cash out, but a parent or guardian has to give consent and handle the tax paperwork. Requirement 4, an active Roblox Premium subscription. Premium starts at $4.99 a month, and it has to be active when you submit. If it lapses, DevEx locks until you renew. Requirement 5, a verified email address on your Roblox account. 2 minutes in settings. Do it today. And requirement 6, good account standing. No active bans, no serious moderation strikes. Roblox manually reviews your account history before approving anything. 2 pieces of paperwork round it out. You accept the DevEx terms of service once, on your first application. And you file a tax form, W-9 for US creators, W-8 for everyone else. This is the same checklist Roblox actually enforces. I keep the full written version updated at generalistprogrammer.com, linked below. Miss a single item and your request gets blocked. One honest note before the application. 30,000 earned Robux is the hard requirement, everything else is admin. Earning that number consistently is exactly what the revenue blueprint teaches. Now the application itself, 8 steps, start to finish. Step 1, open the creator dashboard and check your numbers. The earned Robux figure is what counts, not your total balance. Step 2, go to the DevEx portal. It's at roblox.com/develop/DevEx, or under earnings in the Creator Hub. Sign in with the account that actually earned the Robux. Step 3, first-timers accept the DevEx terms of service. It's a binding agreement, so actually read it. You're confirming the Robux were earned legitimately and your tax info is accurate. Step 4, enter the amount of Robux to exchange. 30,000 minimum, no maximum. The portal shows your estimated dollar payout right there. Step 5, set up Tipalti. That's the payment platform Roblox uses for every DevEx payout. Use the link inside the DevEx flow, don't create a standalone Tipalti account. Enter your legal name and address exactly as they appear on your tax documents. Step 6, file your tax form inside the Tipalti portal. W-9 if you're in the United States. W-8 if you're anywhere else, and without a tax treaty, 30% of your payout gets withheld. US creators who cross $600 in a year get a 1099 from Roblox. This is taxable income, treat it that way. Step 7, pick a payment method. US creators should take ACH bank transfer, fastest, and basically free. International creators usually take PayPal. Wire transfers work for large payouts, but cost $15 to $50 each. Step 8, submit, and wait. You'll get a confirmation email from Roblox. Don't file a duplicate request while it's under review, that slows everything down. That's the whole application. No tricks, no secret method, just paperwork done in the right order. So how much do you actually get? Let's run it live. This is the free DevEx calculator at generalistprogrammer.com, link below. 1 box. Type your Robux, and it converts at the real DevEx rate. Start at the minimum, 30,000 Robux. There it is. $114. That's your first DevEx check if you cash out the moment you qualify. And notice the comparison below, the same 30,000 Robux would cost about $375 to buy. Same coins, very different prices. That gap is a whole other video on this channel. Now the milestone number, 100,000 Robux. $380. Every 100,000 Robux you earn is $380 in real money. The rate behind that math is $0.0038 per Robux. Roblox raised it in September 2025, from $0.0035, the first increase in years. About 8.5% more per Robux. One catch. The new rate applies to Robux earned on or after September 5, 2025. Older earnings still convert at the old rate. The calculator shows the numbers side by side, so you're never guessing. And no, DevEx itself takes no extra fee. The 30% marketplace cut already happened before those Robux ever reached your balance. Scaling up. 1 million earned Robux is $3,800. The math never changes, multiply your earned Robux by $0.0038. How long does DevEx take? Shorter than the horror stories, if your paperwork is clean. Phase 1 is the Roblox review. Every request gets checked manually, your account history, where the Robux came from, and your tax documents. That takes 2 to 5 business days. Phase 2 is the payment itself. Once approved, Tipalti sends the money to your chosen method in 1 to 3 more business days. So the typical total is 3 to 7 business days, from submission to money in your account. ACH and PayPal land fastest. Physical checks can drag on for 2 weeks. First-timers, add buffer. A first application with fresh tax forms can stretch to 10, even 14 business days. That's normal, not a rejection. Don't email support on day 3, it won't speed anything up. And there's no cap on frequency. Cash out every time you cross 30,000, or let it stack all year, your call. Before you go, the scam warning that saves accounts. Search, cash out Robux, and you'll find sites promising instant Robux to PayPal conversion. No requirements, no waiting. Every single one is a scam. No exceptions. Here's the tell, Roblox has no API for withdrawing Robux. A third-party site literally cannot cash you out. The only thing those sites collect is what you type in. Your password, your card details, or upfront fees. Same family, free Robux generators, DevEx agents, on Discord who apply for you, and marketplaces buying Robux at better than DevEx rates. All theft, in different costumes. One legal exit exists. DevEx, at roblox.com, with the requirements we just covered. If a site isn't roblox.com, it isn't cashing you out. That's the full path: qualify, apply, get paid, and dodge the fakes. The calculator is free, link in the description, next to the written guide and the revenue blueprint. Next question. How much do Roblox developers actually make? The median is 0, and the top 10 made over $20 million each last year. That video is next, subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.